Today we are upgrading my spark plugs and my ignition coils on my Mini Cooper F-Series, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do it. So this DIY will be helpful if you have the F54 Clubman like I do, the F55, the F56, the F57 convertible, or an F60 Countryman, because all of these cars have the B48 motor in them. Now in this video I'm going to be using the NGK Iridium spark plugs along with some blue DINAN ignition coils. I went with blue obviously because, well, I just had my car wrapped this really cool steel blue. If you want them in black or red, we have that as well. And all the links will be provided for you down in the description below. First part of the process is we're gonna pull the hood latch by our dead pedal twice. Next, we need to remove our engine cover. What you can do is pull up from the front. It's held in by 4 grommets. Now we just need to gain access to the 4 cylinders here, or if you have a 3-cylinder, you only have 3. But what we need to do is actually move this insulation here, just a piece of foam, up and out of the way, because these are our 4 coil packs. Now after you've done that, we just have to remove this vent line right here. What you need to do is squeeze the top and the bottom of this clip. It's a plastic clip. I'll show you once I pull it off. Now be careful, you don't want to crack this. Just like that. I'm gonna rock this up out of the way. And once we have it here, we need to remove this clip. Give us just a little more room. I'll show you what I did. So basically what I did there is I squeezed down on these 2 tabs here, which expands the clips on each side, and then you can pull it off. Now to remove the coil pack, we have to disconnect this connection. I like to take a pick tool and pop that up. Then you can use that clip as a lever, and that'll pop off just like that. Then we can take an E8 and we can undo this bolt. Now this won't fully remove. It is part of the coil pack, so once it gets to a certain point that it's loose, you can pull up on the coil pack to remove it. And it'll usually make a little suction cup noise, just like that. Now you can take your 14mm thin-walled socket. We have this provided down in the description below. And you can loosen your spark plug. Nice thing is this is magnetic as well. It'll come up with it. Now we can take our new spark plug that we gapped to 0.021, feed it on our tool, and you want to make sure to hand thread this on first. And once you're threaded all the way in by hand, then we can take our torque wrench and we can torque these down to 23 Newton meters. And now we can take our new coil pack from DINAN, line it up. You can press that on, and this gets torqued down to 10 Newton meters. Okay, we can take our connection, and when you click it on, you want to hear an audible click, just like that, and then you can push your clip in, just like that. Now we can reinstall our vent line, just clip straight on. Make sure you hear that audible clip, just like that. Put this on here. And now we can repeat the process for these 3 coil packs and spark plugs. And last, don't forget to put your insulation foam back in place. And it'll just hold these 2 wires here just like that. And we can put our engine cover back on. What I like to do is line up the oil fill cap in the center. And then you can press on those 4 grommets. And with that, the job is done. Once again, all the tools and products will be linked for you conveniently down in the description. If you have any questions about compatibility or you're looking for other mods for your Mini, reach out to our team at info@kies.com or check us out at kies.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.